Hello.
Hi.
Anybody hurt?
No.
Been drinking it all today? You're slurring really bad.
I did drink earlier, but not recently.
Okay.
No.
Keep your head completely straight. I just want you to follow the tip of my finger with your
Yeah, it's sliding up. You're good.
On May 13, 2026, an DUI arrest in Macomb County, Michigan, presented several distinct legal issues. This analysis examines the constitutional, statutory, and procedural framework applied that night.
Floor drive and Royal Drive, female yelling, still getting further, sounds like one is possibly intoxicated. Break, anyone able to back?
What began as another late-night crash call quickly raised concern after multiple callers reported the driver appeared intoxicated. Officers responding to the scene soon discovered the driver was none other than Eminem's ex-wife, who had been arrested just 3 months earlier after another alleged drunk driving crash involving a hit-and-run.
Hello.
Hi.
Anybody hurt?
No.
What happened?
When I came around the corner, there was a truck coming high beam at me, and I tried to put my high beams on. It's a new car, and I couldn't see it, and I swerved out of the way of it, and I flipped the fucking car.
Okay.
And that's all I can say is, like,
Okay.
it was a fucking accident. This is the worst.
Okay.
This is a new car. I don't know how to work it or the lights or anything.
Okay. Do you have
on
registration or insurance?
Yeah.
I need your driver's license as well. I'll talk to them.
Okay. Do you need me for anything? Or?
Did you see it happen? Or?
I heard it.
Okay.
I was standing in my garage and I heard it, and
We should be all right.
okay.
45 dispatch can copy 2 plates.
Registration.
David Yellow George 992, DYG 992. This one is blue. Break for the other.
Here's the registration. My insurance is like on my phone.
Okay.
It's all progressive.
Edward Lincoln Union 9355, ELU 9355. That one's black. Been drinking it all today? You're slurring really bad.
Am I what?
Have you been drinking it all today? You're
I did
slurring really
earlier.
bad.
I did drink earlier, but not recently.
Okay. Did you have a lot earlier?
No. No.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license? Thank you.
After noticing several signs of possible intoxication, including slurred speech, the driver admitted she had consumed a few drinks earlier in the night. Before beginning standardized field sobriety tests, the officer shut off his front-facing emergency lights to reduce distractions. These tests are designed to help officers determine whether a driver may be impaired by alcohol or drugs.
I gotta make sure you're sober enough to drive, okay? Turn and face me for me. So put your feet together just like this, put your hands down at your side. I know it's a little chilly out, but we'll try to go as quick as possible, okay? Alright, don't look up at my light because it'll blind you, alright? Can you see the tip of my finger, okay?
No.
Okay. Keep your head completely straight. I just want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't turn your head at all. Don't turn your head at all.
No.
Don't turn your head at all.
I'm not trying to.
Okay. Just your eyes. You gotta do this a bunch of times, so just bear with me, okay? Okay. Some of these questions aren't meant to insult your intelligence or anything like that, okay? It's a standard question that we have to ask. Do you know your ABCs?
Yes.
Okay. What I want you to do is keep your feet together and your hands at your side. I'm going to have you tilt your head back and close your eyes. I'm going to have you recite your ABCs starting on the letter A, stopping on the letter T. Do you understand?
Starting no matter what. T.
Starting on A, stopping on T.
Alright. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T.
Okay, very good. Next one is a balance test, okay? Do you have any problems with your knees, ankles, legs, hips, anything like that? Okay, which leg?
This
Well, I tell you what, we'll skip a balance test because I don't want you to hurt your knee or anything like that, okay? Michigan law requires that you submit to preliminary breath test on the request of a peace officer, okay? If you don't, 2 points on your license is civil infraction. Will you take the preliminary breath test for me? Okay. What I need you to do is take a really deep breath in, seal your lips around this tube, and blow really hard until I tell you to stop, okay? Just like you're blowing up a balloon, you understand? Okay, real deep breath in. Now blow. Harder, harder, harder. Perfect, thank you. Okay, do you know what legally intoxicated is in the state of Michigan?
0.08.
0.08. You're 0.20. You're almost 3 times the legal limit. Okay. For me, unfortunately, I have to place you under arrest. Okay. Go ahead and turn around for me. You put your hands behind your back. Okay. I'm not going to treat you bad or anything like that. Okay. You made a mistake tonight. It sucks, but we got to get through it. What's that? Not tonight. I gotta hold you until you're at least sober. Okay. You turn this hand this way. Let go of your fingers. There you go. Do you have anything in your pockets that's gonna stick me, poke me, anything like that? Okay. Is this just nail polish? Something?
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Okay. I'm just using the back of my hand on your pockets. Okay. Got anything in your back pockets?
No.
Okay. In the inside pockets? All right, I'm going to put this in your car, okay? All right. Come over this way for me. Alright.
You got it?
Yeah. Alright. Give you some light so you can see. I got you so you won't fall, alright? Do you know who your insurance carrier is on the car?
Progressive.
Progressive? Okay. I'm going to set this in your car, though, okay?
After placing the suspect under arrest, officers began searching her vehicle. Let's take a look at what they discovered inside.
Under Michigan compiled laws section 257-625, a back of 0.08 is per se illegal to drive. A back of 0.17 or higher triggers Michigan's high back enhancement under the same statute. At 0.20, the subject sits squarely within that enhanced sentencing range. Under Arizona v. Gant, decided in 2009, vehicle search incident to arrest is narrowly limited. It is permitted only where evidence of the offense of arrest is reasonably expected inside. Searching for alcohol containers after an OWI arrest squarely satisfies the Gant standard.
So odds are, at least last time, I did the blood just because she started kind of dozing off in booking. So there could be others. Intoxicants?
Yeah, it doesn't increase or decrease anything, though.
Well, that's true, but...
Grab me your phone and her keys. Just the house keys. There's phone. Looks like she's got Coors Lights over there. She says it's on her phone. But she has Progressive, I know that.
Honestly, I might have it from last time.
Okay. Oh, that's just water. Never mind, not a beer.
Yeah. These aren't opened, but 6-pack of Crown.
Okay.
Nothing else in the front.
She just pled to yours a couple days ago.
Yeah, no contest.
Yep.
I don't know where it's at, but there's a cap to one of those Crown shooters and an empty wrapper right there that it would have been fitting in.
Okay.
So I don't know where that is, but there's evidence that there was one open here.
Yeah. Okay.
So just something to know.
Sounds good.
Initial seizure at a reported crash is supported by the community caretaking doctrine. Probable cause to arrest developed from slurred speech, admissions, and a 020 PBT result. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, decided in 1984, roadside questioning is non-custodial. Therefore, no Miranda warning was required before the driver's admission of drinking earlier. Michigan Compiled Laws Section 257.625A authorizes a PBT upon reasonable cause to suspect DUI. PBT refusal is only a civil infraction, with 2 points assessed against the driver's license. Post-arrest chemical test refusal, under implied consent, carries far heavier consequences. License suspension for 1 year on a first refusal, 2 years on a second within 7 years. NHTSA protocol requires deactivating emergency lights before the HGN test. Strobing lights can induce optokinetic nystagmus and undermine the test's evidentiary value. Waiver of the one-leg stand on medical grounds is a defensible accommodation under NHTSA training. Michigan Compiled Laws Section 257.617 criminalizes failure to stop after a property damage crash. This misdemeanor charge may be filed alongside WI when a driver leaves the immediate scene. Section 257.625 subsection 9 governs repeat offense sentencing within a 7-year look-back. A second conviction triggers mandatory license revocation, fines, and possible incarceration. The arresting officer receives an A- for textbook procedural compliance and de-escalation. Minor deductions reflect the absence of an audible Miranda advisement in the released footage. The subject receives a D for operating at 020 BA, with a prior Y case pending sentencing. Non-resistance during arrest prevents a lower grade, but cannot offset the underlying conduct. The responding agency receives a B+ for evident training quality and prompt footage release. 3 practical lessons emerge from this analysis for officers, drivers, and counsel. First, roadside statements are admissible. The Fifth Amendment right to silence must be invoked. Second, a PBT refusal is minor. Post-arrest chemical refusal under implied consent is not. Third, any pending OE case dramatically raises the stakes of any subsequent driving incident. For officers, light discipline, narrated pat-downs, and medical accommodations protect every case. For counsel, early review of SFST administration and PBT advisements remains the strongest defense. Let us know in the comments which legal topic or interaction you would like to see analyzed next.